How to make a St. John's wort oil infusion. St. John's wort is a yellow, star-shaped, wild-growing herb. You'll know you have the right one if you rub the flower between your fingers and they turn purple. You will harvest the top 6 inches of the plant when it is in bloom. You can dry the flowers first to remove some of the moisture, but if you're using it fresh, infusing it with heat will help some of the moisture evaporate so that your oil infusion does not go rancid. Fill a jar with plant material and cover completely with an oil carrier of your choice. Olive oil, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, or pretty much any oil you want. The cheesecloth is to allow moisture to escape, and we used a heated method by putting it in the crock pot or double boiler for an extended amount of time. When the oil is infused, it should change to a purplish red-brown color. I was concerned about the color of this not being as red as I had hoped, so I ended up letting this steep for another week or two before straining. Once complete, strain into a preferably dark-colored, clean jar. Add a touch of vitamin E oil to preserve, and then use this oil to make lotions, salves, apply topically for sunburn relief, wounds, bruises, and even muscle pain. You can also apply this to your scalp twice a week. Let it sit for the health of your hair. Before taking it internally, you should absolutely consult with a doctor and do your own research because it is contraindicating with prescribed medications like heart medicine, antidepressants, or any medication that is supposed to build up in your body. The beautiful reason for this is because it is a detoxifier and a diuretic, so it naturally flushes your body of toxins or anything that has built up in it. We also learned that you shouldn't take this for more than 6 months without giving your body a break. Traditionally, the reason people would take this is to combat seasonal effectiveness, moodiness, mild depression and anxiety. It's supposed to be anti-inflammatory, so even arthritis and gout. This is not even an exhaustive list. Dig in and do some research, but that's